Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add BCC option in Outlook emails and also how to add voting buttons in the mails. So before we start, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. So let's get started. Let me create a new mail here and see there are only two UnCC options. For whatever reasons, you may have to add BCC, and to do that, you have to come to this option here called Insert. Sorry, to this option called Options, and there you go. You have this BCC. Along with BCC, you can also add this tab called From. It will mention from whom this mail is being sent. So for now, I don't need that. So I just want BCC. So yeah, and this you can do whatever you want. Again, let's move to the second objective of this video. Suppose say you want to get responses from the recipients of the mail. So you can select this option and you can ask the recipients to vote. Here are some predefined options: approve or reject, yes or no, or maybe. And also you can custom this voting buttons here: approve, reject, or do not care. Something like that. And say close. So I just added this option, and whenever the recipients receive the mail, and they will have to be prompted to vote between amongst these three options. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.